In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on gallery view on Zoom. Whether you're hosting a meeting, attending a virtual class, or simply catching up with friends and family, being able to see everyone at once can make a big difference. Let's dive into the process of enabling this feature so you can maximize your Zoom experience. First, ensure you're already logged into your Zoom meeting. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Zoom window. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll notice a small grid icon. It may sometimes resemble a collection of little squares, and this is your ticket to gallery view. Clicking on this icon will transition your current view. Initially, you might be in speaker view, which highlights one speaker and shows you others in smaller windows. While this is great for focusing on the person speaking, gallery view presents everyone in a grid, allowing you to see all participants equally on your screen. To initiate this transformation, give that grid icon a click. Upon clicking, you'll see the magic unfold. Your Zoom screen will reconfigure to display the gallery view, showcasing each participant in neat, equal-sized video windows. This setup can be particularly beneficial if you're dealing with large groups, as it provides an inclusive view of everyone at once. It allows you to observe nonverbal cues from participants, which can be crucial in various types of interactions, from business meetings to educational settings. It's important to note that the number of people you can see in gallery view at one time depends on your screen size and Zoom settings. If you're using a laptop, you might see fewer participants compared to using a larger monitor. Don't worry, you can scroll through pages of participants by using the arrow icons that appear when there are more attendees than can fit on your screen. Now that you're in gallery view, you might notice that your layout looks cleaner and more organized. If you're a host or co-host, you can also spotlight specific participants if you need to focus the group's attention. But remember, gallery view remains the most balanced way to see everyone at the same time. Those were the steps to turn on gallery view on Zoom. It's a simple tweak, but one that enhances your capability to engage with everyone in the meeting. This feature is especially valuable for webinars, teaching environments, or when you simply wish to gauge everyone's reactions. It truly allows for a more interactive and inclusive virtual experience. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to turn